Last month I scrapped 500 super personalized email, and I sent 500 cold email, and 480 were completely ignored, and the other 20, right, the other 20 generated $7,000 in revenue to our agency. So today I will showing you exactly why most of your cold email are failing and how to fix it. Okay. Hey everyone, if you are tired of sending cold email into void, and this video is for you. I analyzed thousands of cold mail and both success and failures, and then found 7 deadly sins that kills your response rate. So let's break it down. So the title will be like why your cold mail don't get replies, the hard truth. Okay, so let's break it down. So the deadly sin one, that is the me monster email. So I call it the me monster. That means the biggest reason of your email falls. That is, it's all about you. Okay, so if you are sending emails and it's everything about you are saying about yourself, then people will not get interested to reply on your email. So count the eyes and U's in your last cold email. If they outnumber the U's, then you have found the problem. So look at the two emails I write here. So bad example is, I wanted to reach out to you because we provided amazing marketing services. We have been in the business for 10 years and we have a great track record. Okay, blah blah blah. So it's all about themselves. Okay, so the people will not get interested because what you are doing, people might not get interested in learning more. So they only care how you can help them. Okay, so the uh, example is your recent expansion into the Dallas market caught my attention, especially given the competitive landscape you are entering. Okay, so it's so good. Okay, the first is all about the sender, the second one is about the recipient. Which one would you respond? Okay, so rewrite your email within 80% of you focus and 20% on me focus. This is the fix here. Like if you want to fix your email reply rate, then when you write the email, try to maintain this ratio, like 80% of them and 20% of you. Then I think your response rate will be increased. The second deadly sin is, that is generic template. Okay, your personalization isn't fooling anyone, right? So the sign of the template is too obvious, like awkward email merge field, generic industry reference, one size fits for all value proposition, and super physical personalization. Okay, so you need to avoid this kind of error in your email, otherwise it will be so generic template which people are using like 2 3 years back and still some people are using. So let's see some example on it. Okay, so bad example is, I noticed company is in the dash market, and companies like your typically struggle with the common problem. This the bad example. More like if anyone is starting cold mail, they are using this template. Okay, so don't use one. Use this kind of personalized good one, like your LinkedIn post about reduce customer acquisition cost resonate with me, especially your point about diminishing returns on paid channels. It's showing clearly, showing how much you research on them, and after that you are reaching out to them, so people will definitely reply them. The fix is, if your personalization takes less than 2 minutes per email, it's not personalization. Okay, so deadly sin number three, that is value vacuum. Okay, so the third problem, no clear and specific value proposition. The bad value proposition is, we help companies improve their marketing efficiency, right? And the good value proposition is, we help three SaaS companies in your vertical reduce customer per acquisition cost per acquisition by 32% in 60 days by optimizing their email nurture sequence. Okay, so I also get some cold mail. Okay, so I also get like this kind of we help companies to like improve their marketing efficiency. Okay, so it's really annoying. So try to like make on this kind of good email. So if you want to fix this, then include a specific, relevant, and measurable value proposition in your email. Okay, and the fourth scene is, that is wall of text. Okay, like your email is too long. Okay, so research shows attention drop dramatically after 50 words, and response rate decrease 30% for extra paragraph. Decision maker spend on average 3.2 seconds on initial email scan. Okay, so you need to grab attention of the recipient only on 3.2 seconds. Okay, so aim for 4 5 sentences total. If your pitch needs more, it belongs on call, not on the email. Like if you are not able to write the email, I want more word on the email, but you definitely make it short, and after that when you pitch them on the call, then you can tell them about it. Okay, the deadly sin number 5 is like poor subject line. Your subject line don't earn the open rate. That's the hard truth. Okay, a bad subject line, that is like it's a common thing. Like if anyone started anything, that is quick question, connection request, following up, company plus partnership opportunity, same thing. Like again and again using things. So I think you should remove that one and use this kind of super personalized subject line that is also relevant, like your LinkedIn post about your CSC challenges and computer case studies, thoughts of you, and question about your Dallas expansion. It's super personalized. So if anyone see this kind of email, like you say, like question about your Dallas expansion, like the recipient think yes, they know about we are expanding our expansion on Dallas. Okay, so they will definitely reply it or open it. The differences, specificity and relevance again, and fix using this formula, that is specific details and relevant hook. Okay, and deadly sin number 6 is weak call to action. Your CTA lacks clarity or it's too demanding. Like if you directly want them to book a call with on your calendar, then they will not, because they don't know you. It's cold mail, right? Like bad CTA, like let me know if you are interested, when we can schedule a call, would love to chat, this kind of, it's generic, everyone using it, it sounds good but everyone using it. So try something different, like would you be open to a 10-minute call to explore this approach, how this could work for your company? Like does reducing like cost per acquisition by 20 to 30% sounds worth quick a conversation? This kind of things, like try something unique. Fix is make your ask clear, specific, and low commitment. Don't ask directly meeting on the first email, because they don't know you, they don't have 30 minutes for you. The deadly sin number 7 is wrong timing and context. Okay, the final reason is you are reaching out at the wrong time and without context. Okay, bad timing is like Monday morning, Friday afternoon, end and beginning of quarter, and then immediately after major company news. Okay, and good context trigger is like recent funding announcement, then new product launches, company expansion news, execute changes, relevant industry changes, this kind of thing. If you want to like say get this kind of relevant trigger and get notified by Google, then you can set like Google alert for your prospect and timing outage and relevant trigger, they will notify you. Okay, the implementation guide, like I add this section always, like to give you a super easy solution like how you can implement it. Okay, so let's put this all together and your action plan, how you can implement it. Audit your current template, count I versus we and you versus yours, and measure your email length, evaluate personalization depth. Create new framework, that is subject line like specific details plus relevant hook, opening, personalization, observation, then body, specific, relevant, and value proposition, and close like CTA, clear low commitment CTA. Okay, directly don't ask about a 15-minute or 30-minute on your calendar. They will not book call on the first mail if they are not really like wanted this kind of service, or they're looking for this kind of service. And track and measure, that is open rates by subject line, and response rates by value propositions, and meeting rates by CTA. You need to measure that. Okay, So that's it for today, and remember that your cold email don't get replied because they are not earning your reply, right? And they're either too selfish, too vague, and too lengthy, or simply arriving the wrong time. Fix this 7 deadly sins and you will be joined at 10% cold email reply club. Okay, that actually generate reply and revenue. Okay, so drop a comment if you with your current email, or then I will try to help you out what is going wrong here. And that's it for today. If you want a done for you cold mail setup, you can book a call with me on my calendar. Okay, and if you want any kind of cold mail services and consultation, you can tell me, or like directly reach out me on my WhatsApp. It's everything on the description box. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.